Well, I got another one. Yes, so you can tell by the title of this video, so I'm going to skip all the intro stuff. If you guys have questions about what Stitch Fix is, you know, just go watch my other videos. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my referral code down in the description, so if you guys want to try this, you can get, I believe it's $25 off your first box. And yes, I grabbed my dagger that I bought from Comic-Con to use to rip this open, and now I'm realizing that this was potentially a mistake because it's not really meant for cutting, but that's okay. I mostly just wanted to show this off. So I just bought this at Comic-Con. It was 25 bucks. Love it. Don't know what I'm going to do with it other than stick it out for decoration, but it's a cute little dagger. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to skip all the normal intro stuff explaining what Stitch Fix is this time just because I feel like you guys get it. Like, if you're already watching videos, then you probably have at least somewhat of an understanding of what it is. If you have questions though, I'd say go to their website or refer to my other videos where I kind of talk about it more. So we're going to jump right into the note. And I'm not going to lie to you guys, I did peek at what I was getting this time around. If you use the app, if you click like begin checkout even before you have the box, you can see what items you get. So I cheated this time and I'm sorry for that because, I don't know, I just couldn't wait. I was excited. So my note says, "Hi Kayla, welcome back and happy fix day. I was so happy to see that you loved your last fix. I hope they all worked out for your trip to Europe. Sad face, I didn't get to go to Europe. That's okay. I'm excited to be styling you today and have chosen a few pieces to fit your romantic style as San Antonio attempts to be fall." That's perfect because it does attempt to be fall and it's definitely not. Let's dive in. First up is this gorgeous 9 Britain burgundy dress. Try it with the Cotton Emporium taupe. Probably messing up all these words. Fuzzy cardigan to be cute and cozy for an everyday casual look. Try the Andrew Mark performance top with the cutout in the back with the Judy blue distressed skinny jeans. You can make this more fall-esque by adding the girly burgundy scarf. I hope that you love your fix. Be sure to let me know about both fit and style of each item at checkout so that we can continue to improve the fixes over time. What's your go-to outfit for fall? Let me know, XO Molly. I don't really have a go-to outfit for fall because I live in San Antonio and I'm in the military, so my go-to outfit for fall is usually my uniform. But I don't know what package to start with. I'm just going to start, you know what, let's start with the smaller one. Oh, totally destroyed that. So this is, let me just throw my stuff on the ground. So I saw this when I did the sneak peek of my box and I was like, to be honest with you guys, don't love it. But it is soft and maybe it'll look cuter on. I won't know. At the end of this, I will do a try on for you guys. But yeah, this isn't something that I would pick out for myself. Maybe it'll look cute with whatever she gave me, but I really, to be honest with you guys, without even trying this on, I don't think I'm gonna get it, but who knows? I could change my mind once I wear it because it does feel really soft, and that's the good thing I can say about it. So then after that, we have the other half of this, which is wrapped nice and neatly in this little paper right here. And okay, so the first thing that I want to point out is that she sent me a scarf, and I have specifically said that I don't really wear scarves and that I don't much care for scarves. They're just not really my cup of tea, and I mean, especially this one, because this is literally meant for style, because look at all the holes in it. This isn't actually going to keep you warm. And I get that, in San Antonio, I don't really need to worry about that. But to be honest with you, I don't even know how to wear a scarf. I don't wear scarves. I don't know how this works. Yeah. I don't know. Again, I will try this. I will try the recommended outfits however she tells me that I should try them. But again, if it comes down to the sweater and the scarf, I don't feel like I'm going to get them just because I don't think I'm going to actually use them that often. Sorry, not sorry. I should probably tell you guys what these are. I'm sorry. Let me look. So the first thing, the sweater thing that I looked at was the Arnold Fuzzy Cardigan. And that was $48, and then the scarf is the Girly Sutro Open Knit Infinity Scarf in the color Burgundy, and that's $34. So even just going off the prices alone, I don't think that I'm going to get them. again, we will see. I saw the total price of my Stitch Fix and it's probably the cheapest one I've gotten so far, so maybe I will be persuaded based on the price. I don't know. The next item is probably the only thing I saw in this fix that I was like kind of excited for, just because I like the cut of it. Not really necessarily huge on the print of it, but it's this really, really cute dress. I don't know if I've ever worn whatever cut this top part is before, but I'm excited to see how it looks on me. So this is the 9 Britain Lizzie brushed knit dress in the color burgundy, and it is $48. This might be one of the only really contenders depending on how it looks on me. Again, I don't know with this cut how it's going to look on my body shape, but I'm excited to try that and see. Then the next item is a pair of jeans. I guess you can never have too many jeans. I am kind of in need of them right now, so I'm not mad about this. These are jeans I would wear. They know I love my ripped jeans, so I'm not mad. And this, I usually like a darker wash than this, but it's good to have a combination because you never know. So this is the Judy Blue Daphne Distress Skinny Jean, and this is $58. So not bad, not bad. And then the last item, which I'm trying to remember what it was. So that's the back of it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's got like these little crisscrossy dealios in the back. Does it have them on the sleeves too? Oh, I thought I had it. So I would have been sold if it had them on the sleeves, but it doesn't. So this one is the Andrew Mark Performance and when cut out knit top in the color black. And this is $38. So I'm going to go try all this on for you guys, and then I will let you know what I'm getting and what I am not getting. I really don't know. What I can say is I like the dress. Am I going to wear it a lot? Probably not, because I keep buying dresses and I never wear them. But I really like the dress. I can tell you what I don't like, and what I don't like is exactly what I thought I wouldn't like, which is the cardigan and the scarf. I don't like them. I just don't get it. Not my style. I gave it a good try. Like, I don't get how to wear scarves. I didn't think it was cute enough. And the cardigan, while it was really soft, it was a little tight on my arms, and again, it's just not my style. Yeah, it's soft and that's nice, but I want to look cute in it. I want to like look like I feel like I'm wearing my own style when I wear these Stitch Fixes, so I just don't really want that. So the predicament is that Stitch Fix is really only good if you're going to buy all the items or like 1 or 2 items. If you're looking at like 3 items, then you're probably going to end up losing out on money, and that's usually how they make the most money is, you know, when you only like 2 or 3 items. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to add up the shirt, the jeans, and the dress and see how much that is. So the 3 items I like, the dress, the shirt, and these jeans, adds up to $144. If I were to buy the entire everything, all the items in the Stitch Fix, it would be $149 because you get 25% off when you buy the whole box, minus your $20 that you spend on the box initially. So the whole box is $149.50 versus the 3 items for $144. So this is how they get you, because it's a much better deal to buy everything. But here's the thing is I don't want everything. I'm torn right now. I might... What do I want to do? I want the dress. I know that for a fact, and the dress is $48. I like the jeans. I like the shirt. I don't love the shirt, but I like the shirt. And I don't really have a lot of long sleeve shirts, but I do have other pairs of jeans. But I like these jeans. But I already have jeans, but I really like these jeans. Okay, so if I do just the shirt and the dress, let's see, 38 plus 48 is 86 bucks. Again, not the best deal. Do I want the shirt? Should I get the shirt? What do I want, guys? Okay, so I've decided I'm getting this shirt, this black shirt that I'm wearing, and I'm getting the dress, and that's it. I like the jeans, but I also feel like there's like a lot of extra, and this is how I'm justifying this, and like normally I wouldn't care about this, but just because I'm looking for an excuse to not love them, like there's a kind of extra fabric right here for some reason. Like, not a big deal, it's not even like that bad or noticeable, but I mean it is like when I'm sitting down or bending over, like you can see it, you know, like that's weird, right? That's all extra fabric. And I just don't like the pockets necessarily on the butt either too much. So I just feel like it's meant for like a longer body than what I have. Like it's not high-waisted, it's just meant for like, I don't know, a longer something that I don't have to offer. So yeah, I like the jeans. I do. I really like them. I like form-fitting like skinny jeans with rips, but I already have like a few pairs of jeans that are similar to this. And while it's always nice to have extras, because like if those ones are dirty and I can grab these ones, whatever. But while it's always nice to have extras, I don't necessarily need it. So it's a hard decision. And like if those other two items were things I liked, I would definitely get the whole box, and including the jeans, I'd be excited about that. But just because of the fact that it's way cheaper to get 2 items versus 3 items, yeah, I'm just gonna get this top because I don't have any long sleeve tops, and I like the back. I think that's cute, and I just feel like it's kind of like, you could pull this off as like a formal kind of shirt. Like if I have like dinner, if I have dinner at like a family's house or something, like I feel like I could pull this off and like, you know, look well dressed. And I don't really have a lot of shirts like that, so I'm gonna get this for that reason. And then the dress, even though I know I'm probably not gonna wear it too often, I think it looks really good on me. It's cute and I like it, so I'm just gonna get the dress too, and maybe I can find an occasion to wear it for, or start wearing more dresses for no reason at all, because I mean I own a lot of dresses, I just never wear them. So yes, I just pulled my sleeves down. They're not really that long, that's just me pulling them down. Anyway, I'm gonna go. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to me, it helps me out a lot. Yeah, I make a lot of weird content. I don't just make stitch fixes. I don't even know. I don't really have like a niche or whatever, but I make like whatever I'm in the mood for that week, and I can be funny, and I get drunk sometimes and film myself when I'm drunk, so it's kind of entertaining. And especially if you're a new YouTuber as well, because I'm trying to help out new YouTubers, just read in the description, because I'm not going to explain it all again in this video, but please read in the description if you'd like to possibly get a shout out. Yeah, you can see like just my one rule for that, and you know, kind of like what kind of person I'm looking for to shout out and things like that. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye. Hey guys, this is weird coming from my bed, but that's okay because I'm just gonna throw this into the end of the video. What the animals and I would like to say to you guys is that we have a channel that we want you to go check out, and this is really bad lighting with the window behind me. I am so sorry. We have a channel we want you to go check out, and that channel is Quest Accepted. Basically what Quest Accepted is it's 4 different people. You have Bryant, Kylie, Devin, and Diana. I talk to Diana the most. She does most of the filming, the editing, comes up with a lot of the ideas of the things that they do, and she's just overall like a really cool girl. But the 4 of them, they're hilarious, like hilarious. Every time I watch their videos, like I'm dying laughing. They're so relatable, they're so cool, they're so like laid back, and just really, really awesome people. Really hard workers. They're posting a ton of videos right now, especially for the month of October. They just have all sorts of stuff up on their channel. They're playing Emily Wants to Play. They have different challenges like tasting bugs, throwing knives. They sucked on Satan's toe. They played some of the Slender series. They've played Bean Boozled. Like there's just really a limitless number of things that they've done so far on their channel. And between us, they got some really cool stuff that they're planning on adding to their channel. I don't know how much I'm allowed to say about that, but just trust me, if you want to see some quality stuff, like they are out there buying equipment and like cool things so that they can give you guys like awesome content. I don't know how this channel isn't bigger yet, to be honest with you guys. It's one of my favorite channels. I've watched every single one of their videos. So do me a favor, go show them some love. I'm going to link their channel down in the description on this. Just go check it out, watch their channels, subscribe to them, because they have a lot of really cool stuff to come, and they are so entertaining to watch. So they're really cool people. Go support them. And that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video on Sunday. Okay, bye.